Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, we were discussing about roadmap of foreign banks from our previous video. That was roadmaps of foreign bank part 1. We learned about how many foreign banks are there in India with number of branches, off-site ATMs and their location. In this video, we will study further about two-pronged approaches to place foreign banks with Indian banks. Let's go. Two-pronged approach to place foreign banks with Indian banks are number 1, first approach, and number 2, second approach. First approach is encourage the consideration of public and private banks in India. Number 2, increase in the presence of foreign banks meeting Indian commitment to WTO, that is World Trade Organization. So these two are those pronged approaches to place foreign banks with Indian banks. Now further we will study about implementation of roadmaps. Here we go. Now फॉरेन बैंक्स का इंडिया में इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसे हुआ था? 2 अप्रोचेस से हुआ था, फर्स्ट अप्रोच एंड सेकंड अप्रोच. ओके, फर्स्ट अप्रोच वाज फ्रॉम मार्च 2005 to March 2009. This first approach is further be divided into 2 parts, or we can say that foreign banks entered in India by 2 ways. WOS and establishing bank branch. WOS means wholly owned subsidiaries of foreign banks treated as if there are branch of such bank with branch license regime being applied accordingly. Okay, now establishing bank branch. RBI says that foreign banks established in India to convert their branch into subsidiaries. RBI ने ये कहा था कि जो फॉरेन बैंक इंडिया में आए हैं वो अपनी ब्रांच को सब्सिडरी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं, या वो अपनी ब्रांच को सब्सिडरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तभी इंडिया आ सकते हैं वो. नंबर 2 अप्रोच फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2009 to till date. Issue extension of national treatment to wholly owned subsidiaries, that is WOS. Then dilution of stake and permitting mergers. Acquisition of any private sector bank in India by foreign banks. कोई भी प्राइवेट सेक्टर का बैंक था उसका एक्विजिशन हो गया था इंडिया में, किससे? फॉरेन बैंक से. So this was the second part of the roadmap of foreign banks. I hope you understood the concept, and if you don't, please do let me know below in the comment section. Till then, please do like, subscribe, comment to my YouTube channel, which is Knowledge Nuggets.